Welcome to Sushi Sangli. Today I'm going to show you how to make temaki. Te means hand, maki means roll. So we have nori here, seaweed, and beautiful local bluefin tuna, and negi, which is scallion, and then sushi rice in here, and water here. So this tuna is a local bluefin tuna, which is near Boston, because we're in Gloucester, Massachusetts. There are a lot of bluefins out there, and whenever they catch it, most of them they ship it to Japan. But luckily I have a connection with local tuna fishermen, so I got fresh bluefin tuna. And I also aged for 5 days, so the flavor is much deeper and softer. And there's nori, people call like seaweed a lot of times, but actually it's not seaweed. Technically it's algae, red algae, so floating on top of the water. And there's so many grades of nori as well. The top grade nori is very crispy, and once put in your mouth, it just melts in your mouth. The low quality nori is more kind of chewy. So before you make it, make sure your left hand is dry and right hand is wet, because nori doesn't go well with any moist. It gets soggy really easily. So I'll show you two different types of temaki. The first, if you see nori, if you look at closely, one part is side is kind of shiny, nice and shiny part, and the other part is kind of rough. So always the shiny part is outside. Okay? And you just grab on your left hand and wet your right hand and grab rice about, I would say about like golf ball amount. Put on the middle of left side and push up a little bit. You need a little space on top, something like that. And you can put some wasabi in there too if you want, if you like spicy. And I'll put a scallion in the middle and put some tuna. You can put any ingredients in here, like you can do salmon or even just vegetables, avocado, cucumber, yeah, anything you want. And then this corner goes up to that corner, the top middle. So it goes up, grab like this, your right hand push up, and left hand hug it and roll it like that. This is the most popular shape of hand roll. And the second type is more high-end, like omakase place, high-end sushi shops making temaki like this way. So basically I cut already, so that the end part, I would say about like 1/2 inch, cut it off. And now same amount of rice. This is a little different shape. Go up, down, like just straight up and down like that. And you put nori, this little piece of nori on the bottom like that. Scallion and maguro, tuna. Then this goes up, so it blocks the bottom. Then you roll it like this, so it looks like a pea stone. This way all the ingredients, everything's even amount inside, so you can just dip in the soy sauce. You can take maybe like 3 bites. So this is a temaki, 2 different types. Yes, so you can try both and you can see which one do you like. Please enjoy, and thank you for watching. I'm Sushi Sangli. I'll see you next time.